Hi everybody, it's Claire from Art Journal Love. Just back with another project for graphicsarts.com. You can find lots of inspiration on their website, lots of ideas on their blog as well. So in this project I've used the Grafix double tack archival film, some Dura-lar wet media film as well, and of course I'm playing in the little mixed media journal. This is a 6x6. It's a lovely size to play in. You get lots of different substrates in there, and unusually for me, I started off by doing the cover. I seem to remember that I did this when I used the previous larger size journal. It was quite a fun idea. So I've grabbed this Collage soup book of images, and I was going to be playing with the double tack archival film. So this is a great film that you can use to create stickers. It comes with a sticky side, and you can see me just pulling one of the sheets off. So you pull one back and you're left with this sticky surface which you put on to the back of the image that you want to make into stickers. Right, so I've had a bit of a steep learning curve with this and created stickers on the wrong side, but I also came up with an idea of how I could still use them, which I will be showing you later in this project as well. So here you can see I'm just making sure that that has worked correctly. So the sticky part is on the back of my image. So then I am just looking for some other images that I can use because I wanted a few bits and bobs that I could pull together. These Collage soup books are great for images. So then I'm using some art by Marlene paint. This one is called Kissy. I'm going straight onto the craft chipboard cover. I haven't gessoed at all. I'm just adding some nice thick layers of paint here. So I'm using this pink and I'm going to use an orange as well. Kind of taken my inspiration from the colours that are on the images that I'm going to be using. So my thinking here was that I've created these stickers using the double tack archival film. I think I'm going to have to buy some more because I've become a bit obsessed making stickers out of everything. I was going to pop some pieces onto the cover. So first of all, I thought I'd just have a little play, do a bit of mark making. So I'm just painting some circles onto here. Some of these will be visible, some won't, and that really doesn't matter. One of the things with mixed media art journaling that I love to do is build lots of layers, and that's where these graphics products are really, really good, because you can get into creating so many layers using the different products. And this double tack archival film has opened up a whole new host of possibilities of ideas. Once I started creating with it, I just couldn't stop. I came up with lots and lots of different ways to use it, which I will be sharing over the next few months. So finished with my little bit of mark making, decided I just wanted to stick some of these on. So I'm just going to cut some of these little squares out. Couldn't really decide. I liked these ones in the middle, thought I might use those and stick them on. Decided no, I didn't want to do that, so it was going to disappear so much of that cover, and I really like the colours on there. So quite often I do spend a bit of time auditioning things that I'm going to use on my journal pages. So here I'm just going to cut some of the squares up, and then I'm going to decide where they're going to go. So then all you need to do once you've got your pieces ready is just peel the backing off. My nails were quite long, so this was a little bit tricky. I'm making it look way harder than it is. And then you just stick them on. There's no need for messy glue or anything else. It just works really nicely. You can stick these things straight onto your work. No fuss at all. So I think I'm going to be investing in a whole lot more of this double tack archival film from Grafix, because it is so easy to play with. And as you can see, I've grabbed more sheets out of the Collage soup book as well, and yeah, just adding more and more stickers onto this cover. So in effect, what I'm doing here is using these as my collage pieces to start to add some more layers to my background, and then I'm going to be adding an image over the top. So now I'm thinking about an image to put on the front, and I decided I wanted a black and white one. So again, I'm just grabbing this Collage soup book, and I've gone to one that's got a lot of black and white images in, and I liked this girl with her wings and her crazy hat. So I'm cutting her out, and then again I'm going to stick her onto the archival double tack film. So this is where I made a little bit of a mistake. You will see that I've stuck her face down onto the sticky side, which then means that the sticky part is going to be over her face, which I discovered once I tried to lift it off. Sometimes you will know when you are creating mixed media projects, mistakes can lead you to new discoveries. And I thought, okay, how do I fix this? So I grabbed a piece of Dura-lar wet media film. This is the clear one. And I thought if I stick that over, it's going to give her a nice shiny surface, and then I can add some colours onto the top of it. So that's what I did. So now I'm going to cut her out again, and then I can add her onto the front of the page and add some colour to her as well. So I'm using some acrylic paint pens to just add some little flashes of colour, some pink cheeks, a white Signo Uniball just to add some whites into the eyes, some little catch lights. And then I added some colour to the hat as well, just to finish it off. I added her to my page using a staple gun and a little bit of double-sided tape. I've then grabbed a transparency from Dina Wakley Media and cut out some letters, and I wanted to add some words onto my page again. So here I'm using my tiny attacher to stick that onto my page. Just a simple word, because my journals are about playing, and this one in particular with these new materials from Grafix Arts, it is definitely all about playing. So here it is, my cover. So lots and lots of layers in this project on the front cover of my mixed media journal. The double tack archival film is great fun to play with. Don't forget you can head over to the Grafix website for more inspiration from other artists on their blog. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.